Hello scholars, welcome back on my YouTube channel English Confluence. This is Mr. Real Gautam. Scholars, in this video we are going to do all textual questions and important question from Should Wizard Hit Mommy from Vistas. So बिना देर किए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं. The name of chapter Should Wizard Hit Mommy, author John Updike. So first question is Who is Joe? How does she respond to her father's story? जो कौन है, वो फादर की स्टोरी को कैसे रिएक्ट करती है? आंसर, जो इज 4-year-old daughter of Jack and Claire. For the last 2 years, her father Jack has been telling her bedtime stories. Joe takes so many things for granted and takes active interest in the storytelling session. She used to ask many questions, just like, are magic spell real? Or is God really in the sky? When her father said that Roger Skunk's mother hit the wizard, she felt that it was very wicked of the mother to do so. She felt that the wizard should have hit the mother back on the head. She is not satisfied with the ending of the story. उस कहानी के अंत से satisfy नहीं है. Next question. What possible plot line could be the story continue with? कहानी का जो possible plot क्या है जिससे शुरू होती है? Answer. Jack told the story of Roger Skunk, an animal which emitted a foul smell, bad smell, and how the wizard changed his smell to that of Roger at his request. The other little creature who earlier hated Roger Skunk now gathered around him because he smelled so good. They played various games of children till dark and then went to their homes happily. But Roger Skunk's mother is not satisfied with that smell. She took an umbrella and went to wizard with Roger Skunk. She hit the wizard right over the head. The wizard agreed to change his smell back. She wanted that a skunk should smell the way a little skunk should have. It should behave naturally and normally. Next question. What do you think was Joe's problem? जो की क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Answer. Joe thought it wicked of Roger Skunk's mommy to have hit the poor wizard. She wanted the wizard to hit her back, but her father defended mommy action. उसका फादर उसकी मम्मी के एक्शन को डिफेंड करता है. Jack said that mommy is always right. It was something which Joe could not digest, with the reference to Roger Skunk's story. Next question, fourth. What is the moral issue that the story raises? इस स्टोरी का क्या moral issue है? Answer. Are elders always right in whatever they do or say? Should children never call into question any action of their parents? This is the moral issue that the story raises. Roger Skunk's mommy hit the gentle wizard for no fault of his. Joe thinks that wizard should have hit her back on the head, but her father defends mommy action, saying that mommy is always right. He says that the little skunk should love his mommy more than he loved all other animals. This is the sort of the things that Jack wants his daughter to inculcate, but is blind obedience a desirable thing? This is the moral issue that the story raises. Fifth question. How does Joe want the story to end and why? जो इस कहानी का अंत कैसे और क्यों चाहती है? Answer. Joe wants the story to end with the wizard hitting Roger Skunk's mommy. The wizard had done nothing wrong. Roger Skunk had himself requested wizard to make him smell like roses. But his mommy goes to wizard and without saying a word, hits him on the head. Joe thinks it was wicked on the mummy's part to do so. She wants the wizard to hit mommy back in the end. That, according to her, it would be the logical ending of the story. Sixth, why does Jack insist that it was the wizard that was hit and not the mother? जैक क्यों बार बार इंसिस्ट करता है कि इसमें जो है विजर्ड को मार पड़ती है, न कि मदर को? आंसर, जैक वांट्स टू इम्प्रेस अपॉन द चाइल्ड दैट एल्डर्स आर ऑलवेज राइट. It is the duty of children to love and respect them. They should never call into question whatever their parents do or say. That is always right. He insists that little skunk should love his mother more than all other animals, and she knew that what was right and what is wrong. Thus, Jack, in his own way, justifies the beating of the wizard by mother was right. Next question number 7. What makes Jack feel caught in the ugly middle position? स्टोरी सुनाते समय जैक कभी कभी अपने आप को मुसीबत में पाता है. क्या इसका रीजन है? आंसर, Jack has told Joe story in which Roger Skunk's mommy hit the wizard for no reason. Joe thinks that wizard should have hit that mommy back. She wants her father to tell a story in which wizard hits that mommy back. Jack feels himself caught in an ugly middle position. He does not want to tell a story in which a mother gets beaten or insulted. He wants to impress upon a child that elders are always right and ought to be loved and respected. कहना चाहता है कि पेरेंट्स हमेशा सही होते हैं, उनकी इज्जत करो, उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करो. Question number 8. What is your stance regarding the two ending to the Roger Skunk story? Answer, according to me, both the ending are right as well as wrong. Like Roger Skunk's mother, parents should decide what is better for their children because they are better experienced than their children. Hence, I am in favor of parental control on children. On the other hand, it is not good that parents impose their will on their children. Instead, they should be given freedom to decide what is good for them because they live in totally different world as compared to the time when their parents lived. Therefore, old values don't stand good in the modern time. Yes, next question. How did the wizard help Roger Skunk? Answer, the wizard asked Roger Skunk what he wanted to smell like. Roger said he wanted to smell like roses. The wizard took his magic wand and chanted a spell, and his whole house was full of smell of roses. Roger also smelled of roses, and in this way the wizard helped him by making him get rid of his bad smell. Question number 10. Why did Joe think Roger Skunk was better off with the new smell? Answer, Joe thought Roger Skunk was much better off with the new smell, because of which he had been able to find so many friends and played with them happily. For her, Roger Skunk's story should have ended a happy note with his pleasant smell, because of which he was accepted by the other creatures as well as their friends. 11. Describe Roger Skunk. Answer, Roger Skunk is a small black and white American animal. Roger Skunk is a little animal that is having long tail and smelled very badly. His bad smell kept all other little animals away from him. They never played with him. He stood all alone, weeping over his fate. Next question. What did Jack imitate? Sorry. How did Jack imitate the wizard? वह विजर्ड को कैसे इमिटेट, कैसे नकल करता है? आंसर. जैक वॉज टेलिंग ए स्टोरी टू हिज डॉटर अबाउट रोजर स्कंक. ही वॉज ए गुड इमिटेटर. द विजार्ड्स वॉइस वॉज वन ऑफ हिज ओन फेवरेट इफेक्ट. ही डिड इट बाई स्क्राउचिंग अप हिज फेस and somehow whining through his eyes, which felt for the interval roomy. He felt himself as old man. 13th. What happened after Roger Skunk smelled very bad? Answer. The wizard made Roger Skunk smell very bad again. The mother was very satisfied. They went home. They heard the sound of train, shoo shoo. It was bringing Daddy Skunk home from Boson, and they had lima beans and pie oh my dessert. Mummy Skunk hugged Roger Skunk with love and said now he is like her. Next question number 14. Why did Roger Skunk go to see the owl? Answer. Due to bad smelling body of skunk, other animals were not interested in playing with him, but he wanted to play with his friends. So Roger Skunk went to wise owl to get rid of the foul smell. Okay students, after that very small type question, MCQ you can say. छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन हो सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. व्हाट इज जो शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ? जो का शॉर्ट फॉर्म क्या है? जॉन. जॉन उसका फुल नेम है, जो उसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म है. What did Jack mistakenly call Roger Skunk? वह मिस्टेक से रोजर स्कंक को क्या बोलता है? रोजर फिश. What did Roger Skunk want to smell like? Like roses. What is creek? Creek means a river. Jack wife is called, जैक की वाइफ का नाम क्लेयर. Roger's daddy returned from Boson. Who was Joe's brother? Bobby. Who is Joe? 4-year-old girl who is curious to find unknown aspect of stories told by her father. 9th. Why does Joe want her father to tell the story in a different way? To give the story a happy ending with an adult and mature understanding. Next. How many pennies did Roger have to pay? How many pennies did Roger have to pay? रोजर को 7, यहाँ स्कॉलर थोड़ा सा आपको समझना होगा, उसको 7 पेनीज देने थे और उसके पास केवल 4 था. ही हैज़ टू गिव 7 पेनीज. यस. व्हाट एडवाइस डिड ए वाइज आउल गिव टू रोजर स्कंक? टू कंसल्ट द विजर्ड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. वाई डज जो कॉल रोजर्स मॉम स्टूपिड? बिकॉज इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ हर एक्शन that Roger start smelling bad again. Next. Who is author of the lesson? John Updike. Okay, so thank you students.